Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going ahead to introduce about the newest products on my right hand. This chest freezer display glass on top of it. So let's take a look at overall sizes first. The unit's entire length is about like a 39 inches wide. And the overall height is about like a 34 inches tall. And the overall depth is about like a 27.5 inches deep. So as we can see the units, they have a two big sliding top of it, glass display. And also on the side, when turn around the units, we can see they're having a display, the LED lights right here and the switchers and adjust the temperatures. Also the units are using the 110 standard plugs, regular one. When we turn around of the units, we can see the backside they have a ETL sanitation stickers and the diagrams and cut sheets for the units, serial number for the fast service. And we're looking down, we see they have water rings right here. You can unplug it to let the water all clean the units. And let's take a look at the inner side dimensions. So this is the inner side dimension. We're going to take a measurements. As we can see the first, they have a two basket coming from the units. Now let's see the overall length. For the inner side, overall length about 33.5 inches wide. And this side dimension is about like a 21 inches, 21.5 inches, around there. And the overall depth is about like a 23 inches. The units also coming with the LED light at the front. Now let's see the basket sizes. The basket length is about like a 20 inches. Wide is about like a 9.5 inches. And it's about like a 7 inches deep. They also have the other side with a stage here because the compression is mounted at the bottom. So the stage height is about like a 10 inches. This will be the all information about the inner side. Thank you for watching these videos. This is all demonstration information about our products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.